Hello future affiliate bloggers, welcome back to my tutorial training on how to set up a review blog. Today is part 5, setting up free WordPress plugins. These are the essential plugins that you should have on your new website, and here is the list right here. These are essential plugins that I use on almost every one of my websites, and I'm going to show you how to install each one of these and configure them. And again, these are free, and down here I have a premium plugin that I will be testing out and using for those that want to do Amazon affiliate blogging. And it's optional, you don't need this in order to review Amazon affiliate products. You can do it with these free plugins. And to install and configure each one of these plugins may make this video really long, so I'm splitting it up. So I will link to each one of these plugins separately down below. Okay, so here is the WordPress theme that was installed in the previous video, the Alante corporate theme. You can see it here, and log into your WordPress. For this video right now, I'm just going to show you how to quickly install a new plugin. So over here in plugins, add new, and then head over to here. It says search plugins, enter in review, okay, and wait for it to load up, or enter, and then find the one that says WP product review Lite. This is the one I will be using, and it is by Theme.io. So click on install now. Okay, once it's done, click on activate. Alrighty, for this particular plugin, there's nothing to configure at the moment. And check the description below this video for each of these individual links to set up and configure these. Okay, and once you're done with that, you're ready for part 6, creating your first review post. Okay, that's all for this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks so much. And if you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe to my channel, How to Webmaster, for new upcoming training tutorial videos. Thanks again, and happy blogging.